Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So you might have already read from the title that it is going to be another travel vlog, but it is not exactly a vacation trip, but we are going for some personal stuff, family stuff, and then we'll be covering rest of the famous places as well. So it's a short trip, but I think it will be a good one, and I'll be covering places like Rameshwaram and Madurai, Meenakshi temple and all of those things. And currently it's around 3 in the morning, and in about 15 minutes we will be leaving to airport. Without further ado, let's get started. So we are done with the security check and baggage thing as well, and now we have around 1.5 hours to kill. आज की security बहुत ज़्यादा तगड़ी थी because given the current conditions in Delhi, but I think it was pretty smooth as well. So we are about to eat something because हम लोग काफ़ी मतलब अभी बहुत सुबह हो रही है तो भूख लग रही है. Probably we'll have coffee and थोड़ा सा खाना हम घर से लेके आए थे, so we'll eat that. And we're just having our घर का खाना. क्या कर रहे धीरे. अभी we have nothing to do. We are just watching some planes. मतलब just watching the scenery सामने because there are so many planes and I love to watch it. So currently killing time like that.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel.
So we have boarded the plane and it's about to, my brother, and we're about to. अभी टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा सा. I mean 15-20 minutes. It's around 7 o'clock. And हमारा जी यार. तो we'll be flying by 7:15 or 20. अभी बाहर अब मैं कैसे दिखाऊँ, सॉरी. बाहर अभी सुबह हो चुकी है. I can't wait to leave Delhi pollution behind for 3 days. So yeah.
Thank you.
Guys, we are about to land. पता नहीं आवाज़ आ रही नहीं आ रही, but we are about to land in 10 minutes to in चेन्नई, and फिर उसके बाद एक और फ्लाइट है मदुरई के लिए. एक और सिक्योरिटी चेक इन के लिए तैयार हो आप. Guys, going to another aircraft to Madurai. So we have boarded the second flight. It is from Chennai to Madurai. It will take another 1 hour to reach Madurai. It's pretty hot in here, but I bought my fan, so I think that will do. And yes, I'll see you there. We have reached Madurai and now we are proceeding to our hotel. So after the airport we just came straight to the hotel and had some food, had some chai because we were so exhausted. And abhi this is my OOTD. This is my Lucknowi chicken kurta which I bought from Lucknow, and yeah, this is my makeup for the day. And अभी हम लोग एक टेम्पल देखने जा रहे हैं.
पूजा करने जा रहे हैं.
हाँ मतलब पूजा करने जा रहे हैं, एंड फिर बस 2 टेम्पल देखेंगे, पूजा करेंगे, एंड फिर कल का अलग सीन है. सो आई विल शूट दैट ऑल्सो. I will shoot everything, so stay tuned till the end. First temple done, guys. अभी टेम्पल दिखाती हूँ guys. This is basically our खानदान का टेम्पल.
क्या बोला तूने?
done with the first temple and अभी we are doing our second one. अभी जो हम एक उसके बाहर एक लेक पॉन्ड टाइप का है तो वहीं खड़े हुए हैं and yes there's a beautiful sunset happening behind. ये गणेश जी का टेम्पल है but we are not allowed to go. Guys, got this artificial stamp mehndi done. Was craving for this such a long time in Delhi, but I got it in Madurai. Woo!
1 hour later.
Guys, we are done with the second temple, and I think this was our agenda for today, which is completed. Abhi hum थोड़ी बहुत shopping करेंगे बस, and we'll head to our hotel because we haven't slept yesterday at all because हमारी flight थी. So yeah, I think tomorrow will be more fun, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Guys, my mom is making me walk एक साड़ी के लिए पूरा 2 किलोमीटर चला दिया.
डांस करते इसके नीचे डांस करते फोटो.
अरे बेटे तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या?
एक मिनट
मुझे नहीं पता यार, मम्मी भूख लग रही है. गाइस हमारी मम्मी 2 किलोमीटर हमें चला चुकी है, साड़ी की शॉप नहीं मिल रही. आर यू हंग्री? तूने ओह शिट लाइड. गाइस वी आर गोइंग बैक. हमने बहुत सारी शॉपिंग कर ली है एंड वी आर एग्जॉस्टेड. अब भूख भी लग रही है. वी आर गोइंग टू ईट समवेयर.
Okay, so we are back at the hotel after an intense roaming around and shopping after 6 hours, and it was traumatizing because I'm so exhausted. I'm sleep deprived from the last 2 days and I'm still doing this just because chole. And yeah, tomorrow there is another early morning plan which I'm sure you guys gonna love, and I don't know how will I manage all of it. So yeah, we just had food quickly and we came back to hotel because we wanted to rest because tomorrow is going to be a hectic day for sure. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
The next day.
So we are all ready. It's currently around 7:45 and we're waiting for a traveler bus to come, and then we'll board and then we'll go to the destination that you'll know in the coming video. That's the fit check. I'm wearing a light green kurta with pants and it has some flowery designs. And that's the makeup. There's my mom. Hi. That's a brother.
We are in a passenger bus. How are you feeling in this bus?
क्या कह रही है? I'm fine.
टुतुल पुतुल मत कर. मैं पूछे how are you feeling in this bus?
It's not a bus, it's a travel. समझे?
It is not a traveler. Traveler के नाम पे धोखा है ये. हमें बोला था traveler लेके आएंगे but अभी
This is what you get for 700 per person.
so basically it's a जंग खाई हुई बस. पूरे बस में थोड़ी थोड़ी जंग लगी हुई है. It's a कचारा बस. और अभी हमें already
बोले ये लेके आएंगे बंदो वापस.
sorry guys. The respectful bus will take us again, will take us back again to Madurai, and it's still 1.5 hours, नहीं, almost 2 hours late. And अभी वहाँ पे जाके देखेंगे. यहाँ पे अभी एक प्लेस आएगा जहाँ पे अगल बगल सब जगह पे वो आएगा, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पानी, I mean ocean आने लगेगा. I will show that to you and I think directly talk to you after reaching there. Say bye.
Stay tuned for the next part.
Next part. next scene. Next whatever is coming, वो पानी वाला shot.
Hula.
Stay tuned for the next shot.
Stay tuned for the next shot. Bye bye.
Yes, sir, robotic.
यहाँ पे लाल कलर के भी केले मिलते हैं. Very different. Guys, हमने पिट स्टॉप लिया था एंड हमने वहाँ से इट इज़ आलू नहीं प्याज पकौड़ा और हमने बड़ा बड़ा लिया था अंदर. ये देखो हमारे यहाँ प्याज पकौड़े कितनी छोटी मिलती होगी, यहाँ इतना बड़ा बड़ा मिलता है. guys, I don't know आवाज आ रही नहीं आ रही. This is the infamous Pamal Bridge that was recently opened. I mean the new one. I guess this is the old one जो आप देख रहे हो. अभी हम new one पे ही खड़े हुए हैं. And it is so beautiful. Oh my God. This is the other side of the bridge, and you can see a bunch of ships. I mean, docked in between the sea. And yay! It is so nice. Oh my God! Can you see how beautiful this looks? So hypnotizing, my lord. Here at some Lakshman Mandir. This is all glass work inside the mandir. Pretty paintings. Don't know about the significance of this, but it's looking really pretty. Guys, we are going to Dhanushkodi. So this is the way. यहाँ पे राइट साइड भी सी है, सामने भी जहाँ जा रहे हैं वहाँ भी सी है, एंड इस साइड भी सी है. Guys, this is Dhanushkodi and this is the last road. अभी तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी भीड़ है, but this is like 180 degrees, full sea and everything, and this is all Indian Ocean all in all. This is Rameshwaram and we are about to enter. Hi guys, we are back after visiting the temple, Rameshwaram temple. It was really nice and I was so stunned by the architecture and the color scheme that they have put there. I don't know, not मतलब अभी they have मतलब जो भी पहले टाइम में बनाया होगा, it was absolutely amazing. And yeah, now we are going back. हमारी traveler से हम जा रहे हैं वापस मदुरई, because tomorrow we will be visiting Meenakshi temple in the morning, and फिर in the afternoon we have flight. So yeah, I think I will catch you when I will be back in Madurai. Bye bye.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day and the last day of the trip, and currently it's around 5:30 or 6 and we are going to Meenakshi temple, and probably we're not taking our phones because it is not allowed. Yesterday we came in late around 11 or 12 and we just crashed, so I forgot to shoot all that. But I mean, I forgot to say good night to you guys, but koi baat nahi. We just woke up again today early and it's the day 3 of getting up ready. So yeah.
If it will be possible to shoot some shots, I will do, or else I will meet you post the darshan. Oh yeah, this is the OTD. Basically, it's a Lucknowi chicken curry kurta again.
It's currently around 6 and the street is quite empty. This is a hotel Temple View, and इसके terrace से वो भी दिखता है मीनाक्षी टेम्पल, बट अभी तक हम टेरेस पे गए नहीं हैं. हमें यहाँ से स्ट्रेट एंड देन लेफ्ट जाना है एंड फिर हमारा मीनाक्षी टेम्पल आ जाएगा विद इन जस्ट फ्यू मीटर्स. सो इट्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट.
So we are back from our darshan, and it took us around 1.5 or 2 hours for proper darshan of the two temples. We took VIP, but I think that was of no use. I honestly do not get the VIP thing in the temples because this time it was no, I mean this is the first time we have taken as the VIP thing, and I think it was not much of a difference rather than being the queue thoda sa chota. Now we are getting our breakfast pack. My brother is bringing, and then we'll have the breakfast. We have our first flight from Madurai to Chennai at 1:30, so we'll probably leave around 11 and 11 or 11:30, and then from there I think we have another flight after 1.5 or 2 hours. It's a connecting flight to Delhi. So yeah, it's a long journey now. We are already tired, exhausted. My feet are hurting because we had to stand in line for a long time. And yeah, I think I will probably end the vlog here, or maybe not. I might add some more clips after this or not, that you would see. If you've made it till here in this video, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up and comment whatever you like.